Ordered pairs. If A be a set and small a and small b are the elements of a set A, then the ordered pair of elements A and B in A is denoted by A comma B. This is the way to note down ordered pair, where A and B both are the elements of a given set capital A. In ordered pair AB consists of two elements A and B, where A is called the first element and B is called second element. This is first element and this is second element. For example, 2 3 and 3 2 are not equal. 2 3, this is the ordered pair. 3 2, this is also ordered pair. These two ordered pair are not equal because in first ordered pair first element is 2 and in second ordered pair first element is 3. In both ordered pair elements at their respective positions are different. Second element is 3 and here second element is 2. So that's why these two ordered pair are not equal. 2 4 and root 4 2 square are equal because first element is 2 and here root 4 is also 2. So it means in both the ordered pair first element is same and second element is 4. Here 2 square is also 4. Second element is also same in both the ordered pair. That's why these two ordered pairs are equal. So always keep in mind two ordered pairs are equal only if corresponding elements are equal. This is not ordered pair, curly bracket is here. So this is the set 2 3 and this is the set 3 2, but these two sets are equal because in sets position of the elements have no value. We only consider the elements in a set. Ordering of the element we not consider. So that's why these two sets are equal, but these two ordered pairs are not equal. In ordered pair we use small bracket, in sets we use curly bracket. Now Cartesian product of two sets. Let capital A, capital B two non-empty sets. Then the set of all ordered pair AB such that A belongs to capital A and B belongs to capital B is called the Cartesian product of set A and B, and it is denoted by A cross B. Means two sets we have A and B, both sets are non-empty. We take all the ordered pair by taking the elements of A and B. This is called Cartesian product and it is denoted by A cross B. In A cross B, first element always from the first set and second element is always from the second set. A cross B in a set builder form we write like this. A cross B means there will be elements in ordered pair where first element belongs to first set, second element belongs to second set. In B cross A, then first element will be from B and second element will be from A. Now one example we take. Set A is given to us. A, B are the two elements of a given set and second set is B, its element are 3, 4, 5. So now we are taking Cartesian product of these two sets A and B. So A cross B means we are taking cross product of first set element and second set element. So first set element in ordered pair, first entry will be from first set, second entry will be from second set. So that's why we have 3A, then A3, then A4, A5. Now B3, B4, B5. So in this way we take all the ordered pair with the help of the elements of A and B. In A cross B, everywhere first element is from first set and second element is from second set. So in this way we take all the possible ordered pair in A cross B. And one thing is that number of elements in set A 2, number of elements in set B is 3. So 2 into 3 6. So number of elements in A cross B will be 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now B cross A. In B cross A, first set is B and second set is A. So now its Cartesian product will be 3A, 3B, 4A, 4B, 5A, 5B. So again 3 elements are here, 2 elements are here, 3 to the 6. So in B cross A, 6 elements should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So total 6 elements are there. This is the way how we calculate Cartesian product of two sets.